Today, I want to talk about something that's truly shaped my journey and I think can impact yours as well. It's the three C's of life: choices, chances, and change. These words are simple, but they can be profound. Together, they hold a power to transform not just what we're thinking right now, but they can transform our path forward. So let's start with choices. So every day we make choices, right? Some seem insignificant, like whether to walk or take a stroll on social media, or others can seem monumental, like choosing to pivot from careers or embark on a personal challenge. Here's the thing: every choice is a seed. It's a step forward, even if it feels small at the time. And I get it. Sometimes making the choice can feel daunting. You might feel stuck, unsure, overwhelmed. Trust me, I've been there too. I've signed big documents and I've invested life savings in businesses, so I completely get it. Here's what I've learned: with every choice, we're presented with a chance to step into something greater. Taking chances often means venturing into the unknown, and I know it's scary. It's a leap of faith and it feels risky, but that's where the beauty lies. If we don't take those chances, we're never really going to have the chance to see change. So, I mean, I remember when I left the stability of a job, right? I was a dental hygienist making decent money for those days, and I decided to pursue a dream of entrepreneurship. And it was terrifying. There were no guarantees, just a vision of what could be. And I kind of always knew I was an entrepreneur, right? Even as a dental hygienist, I knew there was something bigger out there for me, and there was a purpose out there for me. And for me, that's, when I started my first business. So how do I say this? Change is the reward for courage. It's not something that happens passively. It's something we create. It's the hardest part. Often the hardest part isn't the change, but it's taking that first step. It's making the choice to take the chance. And that's where the magic happens. It's where you say to yourself, what if this works? Because when you focus on the possibilities instead of the fears, that's kind of when your world really kind of starts to shift. So, here's a thought exercise that I love. So, next time you're facing a big decision, write it down. Reflect on what could happen if you say yes, if you take that leap. Writing it down makes it seem real. It gives you clarity and it turns what feels overwhelming into something tangible and actionable. So, think about that. Think about writing it down and thinking about, what if I didn't have to go at this alone, right? Share your dreams with someone that you trust. Build that support system of people that are going to lift you up and remind you of your potential. Sometimes you're going to hear people say, you can do this. And sometimes that's all it takes to break that silence or that little voice inside your head that might be kind of doubtful. Okay. So my challenge to you is simple. Take the first step. The next chapter of your life is waiting, but it starts with a choice. It starts with you saying, yes, I'm ready to explore. I'm ready to research. I'm ready to experience change. Life is too short to stay in the safe zone forever. Three C's: choices, chances, and change can get you there. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I believe in this. I believe in entrepreneurship. Sometimes, more than I think the people that I work with. But I can't wait to see where your journey takes you. And I just wanted you to think about those brave choices, those bold chances, and embracing the beautiful changes that can come from just taking the leap.